In this video, I'll be sharing with you my feedback for SociEmpire, the new software solution that is launched. So SociEmpire is then a solution that includes done-for-you websites, products, as well as attracting new buyers. So it is a lead magnet funnel system that is done for you in cloud-hosted funnels. So what happens when you purchase SociEmpire? So you will get this. Currently, it is now at $67. And then this is ideal if you are a beginner in marketing and lead magnets. You don't need any tech skills. It gives you step-by-step training and so forth. So it is great to start off in the whole marketing funnel building system. So what happens when you buy the SociEmpire? You get access to SociEmpire, which is then the system that shows for you how to set up your own account, how to customize your clients' funnels. Setting up your own account is first how to set up your account with videos explaining exactly what you need to do, how to activate your agency website, how to connect your autoresponder. So you just need an email solution that is then linked up with the system, and then automatically the emails will be sent out. And then how to get traffic. So they have advertising system already built into the solution. Then once you have your lead magnets up, they basically explain to you in a videos step by step what you need to do once you get the first client that has purchased your solution, and then it explains everything for you here. So this SociEmpire is then more like the training section. What you also get is then you get access to Funnel Mage, which is then the solution that you use. If you come into Funnel Mage, this is how it looks like, and basically you'll get access to a few funnels that's already built for you. I'll show you now. Basically, this is the funnel system then for Influencer Solutions. So you can click on it, and then it's got a landing page that you can change as you wish. It's got a thank you page, a confirmation page, and a download page. With this also is the follow-up emails, 30-day sequence that is already planned for you. As I said before, you just need to link your email solution system, and this will then automatically go out when it needs to go out. Here is a way of just linking all your integrations with your email responders or your drip feed system, your webinar solutions and stuff. And then of course you can also clone and sell this to someone. With the Funnel Mage, you also get a builder, so you can build your own funnels. They have several funnels here that is available if you upgrade. And then if you've built a great funnel, you can also sell it to someone. So everything is here basically for you to start a funnel business. And this is then, if you want to know more, in the link below, I'll also drop the link to Funnel Mage itself, so you can learn more about Funnel Mage, which is an easy drag and drop builder for funnels. So that is SociEmpire. Just here quickly, this is what it is. I'll drop the link below and you can read more about it. And I think it's great, especially if you haven't built funnels yet, you don't know where to start. They include all the 30-day emails already there for you. Hosting is provided. You just need to provide your domain as well as your email solution. And of course, ad system is already built in. You just need to pay for the actual ads. And it's all there for you to really start building funnels for clients and getting the leads you want, and then, just making money. It's as easy as that. So let me know in the discussions below if you have any questions, or follow the links. Thank you.